Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox chat back. First, let's start with some essential checks. Begin by verifying your Roblox account's age settings. Chat features are often tied to these. Next, navigate to your privacy settings within Roblox and confirm that chat permissions are enabled. Finally, make sure your internet connection is stable. A poor connection can sometimes prevent chat from loading correctly, so a quick check can save you a lot of hassle. Moving on, parental controls can significantly impact chat availability. Double-check if any such controls, either on your Roblox account or your device, are blocking communication features. Also, ensure your Roblox account has a verified email address or phone number. This often unlocks full account capabilities. Remember, accounts for users under 13 years old automatically have more limited chat options, often restricted to pre-approved phrases for safety. If the issue continues, let's troubleshoot the application and your device. A simple restart of the Roblox app or your entire device can often resolve minor glitches. If that doesn't work, try clearing the Roblox app's cache and data. This can fix corrupted files that might be preventing chat. As a last resort for app-related problems, completely uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox can often resolve persistent issues, giving you a fresh start. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and your chat is still not working, it's time to contact Roblox support. Head over to their official support page and submit a detailed ticket. Be sure to include all the troubleshooting steps you've already taken and provide as much specific information about your issue as possible. They may also ask for your account details to investigate further, so have those ready for a quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.